Hey there everyone, this is Melody from Pro Event Planners, and today I'll be making a Dreamcatcher gift for a dear friend of mine. It's going to be full black with black butterflies. These are the items that I'll be using. Needlepoint hoop, about 10 inches in diameter. Black crochet thread. Black 3D butterflies. Pair of scissors. Crochet needle. This is a 3.75 is the size. And then a piece of a skewer that I cut. I'm going to wrap this filled with the crochet thread, and then that's going to be a tool that I use to create the center point of the Dreamcatcher. To start off, I'm going to tie a knot around the hoop, and I'm going to wrap it. Covering up as much space as I can. I'm going to do a double knot. Okay, so all I'm going to do is just feed it through over and over and tighten as I go along. The ring has been covered, and so now I'm going to start the process of creating the netting that goes in the middle. The next step is to tie a piece of the cord around the loop. I'm going to do a double knot to make sure it is secure. I'm gonna make it a triple knot. Let's do that. And then I'm going to give my finger a little bit of space, and then I'm going to feed the cord under the loop and through the space that I created with my finger. So I want it to be a little bit on the intricate side. So I'm going to make the loop small, and so this is what I have right now. I'm going to do it again, feed it under and through the loop. The space, I'm going to make it about an inch wide. See that? So we have 2 loops. I'm going to fill that all the way around, and then I'll show you the next step. Okay, the first row is complete. To start the second row, I'm just going to use this crochet thread on the stick and feed it through the previous loops that were made. All right, so here we go. Just gonna feed it through. And then kind of double back, feed it through again. And just keep going all the way around. Okay, the netting portion of the Dreamcatcher is finished. The next thing I'm going to do is to figure out the length of the hanging tendrils that I want. And let's test this piece. I think that'll work. So now I'm gonna cut as many as I can, and I'm going to tie a knot once I string it through. Here we go. That's the easiest part. So I've cut about 20 strings, and I'm going to fold it in half. And I'm going to be covering this area of the loop. So I'm going to feed the curved end through one of the holes on the bottom. Still holding on to the body of the strings, and then feed it through the loop. And then pull it taut. Okay, so this part is finished. I'm going to trim the ends. So I've cut the end of the Dreamcatcher, almost like giving it a bob cut. And now I'm going to add the butterflies. I'm going to have it go part on the net, almost like in a swarm on one side. I have silver metallic. I have black with glitter. I laid out the butterflies on the Dreamcatcher in a pattern, a swarm pattern, from largest to the smallest. And then just so I can get a visual for what it'll look like. So now I'm gonna go ahead and glue that together. Then we're gonna go for the black butterfly with the glitter. Same thing. Hot glue down the center of one. Fold the body of the other. And put it right there. And then press it down. Make sure you're not gluing the perforated edges because you want the butterfly wing to be able to stand up like that. This is so intricate. The next step is to glue down the butterfly to the net. All right, this is complete. Here's the finished product.